Previously on Cool Dragon VR.
Anyway, what's that noise coming from upstairs? I knew this was a bad idea.
This is a severe alert issued by Her Majesty's government. A record-breaking blizzard is going to hit the UK in the next 3 minutes.
Weather warning red. Seek shelter immediately. Warning red. Seek shelter.
Whipple, no. Ow. What was that? Oh! I'm surprised they've even surviving this cold, man. I'm literally made out of fire. Wait, what? Wait, no, I can't move. Help! Ah! Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. No, this is so bad. I gotta get up somewhere. But where do I go? Oh no. Hold on. Oh yeah, that bunker. Hold on. Why are you so damn heavy, bro? Yeah. Oh, please don't kill me! That was the weirdest concussion dream of all time. Wait, where am I? Am I in the flipping catacombs? Lovely. Let's try and figure out where I am. Hello? Anyone there? Hey, Bowser, let me in. Hi! Did you leave me? Like, no, like, literally, you left me to die. Yeah, it's quite scary. You're good. It's quite scary out there, I know. Where are we, bro? We're in some bunker I found.
Oh,
okay. Oh, bro. I would explain more, but... Oh, sorry, bro. You keep interrupting.
I just do that sometimes.
I was doing some research about this place, so I knew where I was, and I knew where I was going and what I was doing and that. Huh, neat. Really is, though. Really is. Oh wait, yes. Yeah. He went. What was that? I'm probably not. Went in situations like these, people will bring TVs, hand crank radios, whatever. How are we supposed to know? I actually brought the faulty TV you still own. Oh. Okay. Let's go and see it now. Okay, that's pretty ironic. Follow me.
Just going this way.
Yeah, here it is. Shop. Oh, it's here. Oh, is that someone? What do you mean there's somebody on it? Oh, yeah,
This is an update on the state of what's left of our country. The storm has stopped, but we will not sound the all-clear alarm yet, for temperatures are reportedly too cold for human life. The way things are looking, we will have to stay in our bunkers indefinitely.
Do not go outside. It is still too cold for human life. Do not listen to the all-clear alarm. Do not go outside. It is still too cold for human life. Do not listen to the all-clear alarm. Do not go outside. It is still too cold for human life. Do not listen to the all-clear alarm.
We lied to you. They will not be left to rot in the sewer. They will drown somewhere else.